Greetings and quick conversations in American English. In this video, we will practice easy, quick conversations. Practice speaking to people. Learn to talk in English. Practice these easy greetings. Let's go. Hi, how are you doing? Great, how about you? Not bad, what's new with you? Not much, just working. Yep, me too. Good morning. Good morning, how are you? Good, how about you? I'm good, thanks. Have a good day. Thanks, you too. Hello. Hey, what's up? Nothing much, and you? Not much either. See ya. Okay, later. Hey, how you doing today? I'm good, how about you? Great, it's nice to see you again. You too. Hey there, long time no see. Yeah, it's been a while. How have you been? Great, nice to see you. You too, take care. Good morning. Good morning, gotta run. Okay, see you later. Okay, have a good day. Hi, I'm John. Hi, John, I'm Lucy. It's a pleasure to meet you, Lucy. Nice meeting you, too. Introductions to other people. Hey, have you met my friend Tom? No, I don't think we've met before. Nice to meet you, Tom. Nice to meet you, too. Tom and I have been friends for a while. We've worked on many projects together. I'd like you to meet my colleague, Sarah. Hi, Sarah. Nice to meet you. Hey, nice to meet you, too. Sarah is an amazing designer. Her work is really inspiring. Oh, that's awesome. This is my friend John. Hey, John. Nice to meet you. Yeah, nice to meet you, too. John and I have been friends since elementary school. Wow, that's nice. Let me introduce you to my neighbor, Mary. Hi, Mary. It's great to meet you. Hi there. Nice to meet you, too. Mary has been a real lifesaver during the pandemic. She's helped me with groceries and other things. That's really nice of you, Mary. I'd like you guys to meet my cousin, Alex. Hi, Alex. Nice to meet you, Alex. Thanks. Nice to meet you guys. Thanks for coming over. It was nice having you. Thanks for inviting me. I had a great time. Me too. Take care. See you again soon. Sounds good. Bye for now. All right. I gotta run. Talk to you later. Okay, take care. Talk to you soon. Will do. Bye for now. Bye. Well, it was great seeing you. Yes, it was great catching up. Let's do it again soon. Sounds good. Take care. You too. It's getting late. I should probably head out. No problem. Thanks for coming over. Thanks for having me. Let's catch up soon. Definitely. Take care and have a good night. You too. Bye-bye. That's all for today. Don't forget to check my other videos and keep practicing every day. Thank you for practicing with me. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel so you can find me again. Bye-bye.